girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a cool song from LP, this creative, cool singing artist, and she performs Love Is All I Have For You. Great song. So let's go into this one. And before we move on with the setup and chords and everything, I want to highlight my secondary new YouTube channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. You will learn and I will teach you how to play a full song from A to Z, chords shown. You just follow along with the full playthrough, and that's it. So if you want to thank me for my work here, then go and subscribe to my new Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago channel. Now, capo on third, absolute best scenario. Yes, we have a couple of chords like 9 or so, but still, it's a pretty simple way of handling the chords. And with capo on third, the chords are simple as well. So let's go into that world of chords. We're gonna start with A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E next. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Then comes the E7. So what you do there from the E is just to lift off that second D, get that open. Everything else stays the same. That's the E7. Then we have the A7. That goes open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. D minor next. That will be open D, second G, third B, first E. Then we have the chords. So we're gonna start with C first. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And then we have the chords for the kind of post-chorus part or so. We have F first, which is a bar chord. So you place it in a finger like this on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the F minor. So what you do there from the F is just to lift off that second G. Everything else stays the same. That's F minor. All right, so that's the chords. Now let's take a look at the strumming. So we have a strumming pattern that needs to be divided into two different parts. So we're gonna illustrate that with the first A minor chord. One full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part is down, down, up. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part continues right after. So it continues with down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so right after this part one, down, up, down, 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 up. So together, slowly like this. Okay, so a couple rounds. Now we're ready for the verse, and what you're gonna play now is A minor, one full round, both part and part two. Then E, one full round. Then E7, one full round, and back to A minor, one full round. Then A7, one round. D minor, one round. And here comes why we need to split the strumming pattern into two different parts. You're gonna play A minor, part one, then E, part two, and back to A minor, one full round. All that is one chord progression round, and you are going to play that 2 times here in this first verse. So one round goes like this. Alright, we're gonna hit that chorus at 1 minute and 5 seconds in. Oh, how could you leave? So what you're gonna play here now is a total of 3 rounds. The first 2 rounds, you're gonna play C1, G1, D minor 1, and back to G1. Okay? The first 2 rounds like that. And then the third and final round, kind of post-chorus part, or if we build in that into this chords, doesn't matter really. You're going to play C, 1 full round, the E7, 1 full round, the F, 1 full round, and just 1 down on that F minor with a pause. And that pause takes us into the second round of everything, the second verse and so on. So I'm going to play for you round number 2 and round number 3, so you get 1 of each. Let's do the C, G, D minor, G, and then C, E7, F, and F minor. Second round is starting. So speaking of that, you're gonna play exactly the same for the second verse as in the first verse. The only difference there is only 1 chord progression round, so it's half as long. Then you're gonna jump into the second chorus and play that exactly the same way you played right now. So no changes there. And guess what? We're gonna go and play after that second chorus, starting of new chorus there. So you're gonna continue with that third chorus that comes immediately right after, and what you're gonna play here is that C, G, D minor, G for another 2 rounds, and then you're gonna end on 1 down with that beautiful C, and that's the end of it. So LP's love is all I have for you. This is basically what I feel as well. I have a lot of love for you guys, a little bit of guitar playing and teaching as well. So if you consider my work as kind of valuable for you guys, then thank you so much. And I appreciate if you can kind of show me that. So like on this tutorial, and maybe if you want to subscribe and all that good stuff, it will be highly appreciated. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.